Here's the internals. Oh. Well, that might be why. She's out of balance. But yeah, you can see how this particular fin is lower than the others, making her weeble wobble. Alright, let's see if we can get this kind of back to some sense of normalcy. Ah, that's better. Question is, how'd that get bent? Is it literally that? Is it hitting inside here? Maybe it was bent up enough that it was making contact. I don't see any place where it would make contact in there. It's kind of an interesting design. You have an inner sleeve, an outer sleeve, and then a cap as well. So this rotates independent of this piece. So 3 pieces all held together by 1 screw. Gotta love the ingenuity there. Now, originally, this thing broke on me 3 years ago, and I had to replace and reinforce some of the structure inside of here. So originally, these supports broke off. You can see where there's some Gorilla Glue holding them back on, but I wasn't sure if the Gorilla Glue was going to hold. So on these major ones, I drilled from the backside and reinforced it with a screw going into the bottommost portion of this, and then that screw went into the topmost portion of that threaded connection. So that's worked pretty well so far. I don't like the way this is allowed to rock back and forth. It looks like this, because of the fan having an uneven blade, the weeble wobble has caused these particular supports to expand outwards, bend away from supporting this. So I think I'm going to take a zip tie and run it around the perimeter and see if I can't tighten those back up, and that should help eliminate some of this play that we're seeing here. So let's do that real quick. And we're underneath this ledge, so this shouldn't be able to pop up and get into the fan. Let's try it out one last time. Yeah, nice and quiet. Perfect. And our weeble wobble is pretty much taken care of now. So yeah, just 4 screws hold this thing in on the bottom. Like I said, these are ones that I added to reinforce the mount after it broke the first time. But no reason to throw it out and buy a new one, right? Okay, once again. Oh yeah. Great. And I'm looking here at the clock on the camera. This took 8 minutes. And I'm not sure how much this thing costs. Probably like 20 bucks or something. But if you got yourself a Sleep Easy and she's rattling and making noise on you, probably good chance it's a wonky fan. Just bend it back into shape. If your mounts break, just glue them back on and drill in from the backside and put a screw in to help reinforce it, and it'll last another 2-3 years. I hope you found this helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and yeah, thanks for watching.